everyone, and welcome to another week with Planning with me, Preppyworld. So this week we'll be planning for the week of March 5th to March 11th. Now this week is going to be one of my special weeks in March. I feel like March is a very special month for me, so there's going to be a lot going on this whole month. So we're going to be using this donuts kit from Planner Problem 101. The reason why I chose this kit is because my nephew's birthday is the 10th, but he's having a party on the 11th, and he loves donuts. That's really the best way to, and also I like the cute funky colors that's with this kit. I feel like it's really like a kid's color. He's turning 2, and I thought this kit would be like the best kitty, perky type of color for a little kids, little kids party. So in this kit, let me go ahead and show you what's included. So in this kit, we have some donut full boxes. We have some half boxes, some flags on the side. I don't have an Erin Condren, I have a Recollections, which is kind of obvious from looking at my planner. So the page flags are not necessary when it comes to doing my spreads. So since I might use the flags, not only because what I normally see other people do when they plan with Erin Condren, they normally have the little flags up top. I don't have those, so I normally use the flags for just regular plans. I put one of the flags down sideways, and I use it like that. Next, on the next page, we just have some headers, some today, to-do, schedule, little things, work, and some icons here. And we also have some date covers. You guys, I get really excited whenever there's date covers included in any kit. Then we have these. When I printed these, I was supposed to print them at 85%, but I actually print them actual size. And these are a little bit too big for my planner, but I still might try to figure out how I can use those in the kit. Then we have like a page of washi. I like this page due to the fact that I feel with this I won't have to use any other type of washi, because I did have a donut washi that I was planning on using, but I don't see the point because I have these type of washis, and then I have the big washis. I normally use these to basically cover like a white spot that I'm gonna put like a big sticker on, but I could just use these. Then I have these just donuts. The kit came with 2 weekend banners. Most likely I use this because this is way easier to cut than these. The flags are really hard to get into. You get 2 habit trackers, which is great for me. I won't be using the numbers because I personally like to write my own numbers in. You got like a little ombre checklist. Well, it's not checklist, it's like an ombre date. I can use these for my meals. Excuse that noise in the background if you did catch that on the camera. I have one of those Airwick air fresheners that go off every now and then. And that's kind of the reason why I always do voiceovers and not, speak as I go. Because that thing sprays every 15 minutes. And we don't want that. Then we have some ombre heart checklists. We also have the ombre heart checklist flags. And then they give us 3 here. I think that with these, you're supposed to take these and then put them to the side here on this. There's some bill dues, some paydays, some teardrops. And then here on the sample sheet, I got glitter headers. To be honest, you guys, this is my first time ever getting glitter headers in anything. So I think that I might use Planner Problem 101 kits more often. Or probably I'll just print out the sampler page so I can get the glitter headers. But I also found someone else's page where they have like a page full of like just glitter headers. I might also just print those out. Also in the sampler, there's a little happy birthday darling. So I'm going to put that here on his birthday. And then I'm still not sure what I'm going to put up here. That's still a little with me. Also, I'll be trying to cover up the purple as much as possible, because as you guys can see, there's absolutely no purple in this kit. So I'm going to try to cover that up with the headers as much as possible. I'm not sure if I'm going to try. I'm sure. I'm going to save these pink glitter headers. The reason why I'm going to save them is because next week not this week, I mean the next week after that is my anniversary. And the kit that I'm bringing in, I'm not sure if it will have. Well, I'm still looking for a kit for my anniversary, and I'm not sure if they'll have glitter headers. I really love these glitter headers, so I'm going to save those. I was thinking about saving this one too, but I feel like if I save this, then there's going to be purple left. I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to work with these two for now, and if I can save these two, then I'll be great. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get this plan with me started. Guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started by putting down our bottom washi. And this kit was really special for me due to the fact that it is my nephew's birthday week. So I did go ahead and already start by making it easy on myself and put down where I want those full boxes to be. I feel like I already planned those ahead of time. So now at the top, I'm going to go ahead and put in that My Sweet Thing full box at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down some washi tape underneath that. You guys, I completely forgot that I was not going to use the washi tape for this part. But because, you know, the little washi strips that come inside the kit, I'm not used to those. So I just automatically just go to washi. So that's what I'm doing here. So I did go ahead and put down the washi, and then I put down a habit tracker, which later on in the video I'm going to move this around and put 2 habit trackers right here. So I did go ahead and put down some more washi, and then I'm going to go ahead and put down a dinners label to mark my dinners for this week. And then after that, I did go ahead and put down a Monday through Sunday ombre box where I can go ahead and keep track of my meals on the sidebar. I feel like that is way easier than doing it on every single day. Then down here I did go ahead and put down a personal header, and I was going to put my budget and how much I'm spending here, but I did not, I didn't bother doing that. So I did just go ahead and put down a quote box that says do more, think less, and I feel like this will really motivate me for the week. Now, this is where I did go ahead and kind of move things around so I could put 2 habit trackers here. And for filling out my habit trackers, I did use my Paper Mate Flair pen, as well as I'll also incorporate my Sharpie pen as well. So I just put down that I need to track my vitamins and my step goals, because I am on this weight loss journey and I'm trying to track my steps. Now I just put down the date covers as well as putting down the glitter headers for the week. And then on Monday, I did go ahead and put down my 2 shows, which is Love and Hip Hop and The Good Doctor. But also I did go ahead and put down the chiropractor for 12 p.m. which did eventually rip along more in the video. You guys are going to see when this actually rips. So again, I put down Love and Hip Hop and The Good Doctor. Then at the bottom, I did go ahead and put down a green background donut with a blue glitter header. Then I was going to put down the appointment label here, but I kind of did not realize that that's where my full box was supposed to go. So I put down this full box that's labeled just donuts. And then I put down a little brown glitter header on top of that. Then I put down my TV shows for that day, which is Married at First Sight, Kevin Saves the World, Black Lightning, America's Next Top Model, and My Baby, This Is Us. So then I did go ahead and jump to Wednesday, and then I put down my full box as well as a label and a half box that says Change Plant Water. For this label, well, this quarter box, I put that I had to get my nails done, then I put the Yas sticker. The mini stickers that I'm using in this kit is from the Me and My Big Ideas books, the value pack sticker books. That's where most of my stickers come from because I don't have any Etsy stickers as of yet. So now we go ahead, and at the end of that week I did go ahead and put down that I had to post for the first half of the week on Instagram, and also I put down my show Black Ink. So now in this half of the week, we're starting on putting down the top headers, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I did go ahead and put down now the glitter headers for this side. Then starting on Thursday, I did put down the chocolate glazed donuts. And I love chocolate. Anything with chocolate I absolutely love. So then I'm just basically putting down all the full boxes to kind of get them out the way, because I feel like full boxes get in the way when you're trying to plan, so I like to put them down ahead of time. So I did put down the happy birthday darling for my nephew's birthday on that day, and just the regular donut. Then I'm just putting down the glitter headers for that section. I did end up losing some of my glitter headers. Oh, and this is where I put down my weekend banner. I put that down before I did anything else. So since I did lose my glitter headers, I did go ahead and put my TV shows on Thursday, the little purple part instead. So my favorite TV show, Grey's Anatomy, comes on Thursday, as well as RuPaul's All-Star Team Shangela, all the way. So I did realize that I didn't like how dry it looked without something underneath those scallop appointment labels, so I did go ahead and put the donut washi under it. And then you guys, this is where that appointment label is gonna rip, and it really just made me so upset. I don't know what got into me, but you guys, I'm doing this voiceover on Monday, and guess what, my doctor canceled on me today, so I didn't even get to go to my doctor's appointment today. So I guess that was a reason why it was ripping that day. So now I'm going to go back and head to Friday. And then I'm going to put down that donut washi underneath. And then I put down a regular, it says noted, but I just put an important gold foil header from the Recollections sticker set. And put that I have my chiro appointment at 12 p.m. Then directly under that, I did go ahead and put that, I put that TV label that says Bring It and Jane the Virgin. If you guys have not seen Jane the Virgin, you have to see Jane the Virgin. It is the best. Then I put that I'll be working the flower shop, and I put down some cute little flower stickers there. Then moving on to Friday, I put down a quarter box, and I put that I am also working the flower shop on Saturday. And some more flower stickers. Then at the top I did put Frankie's birthday. My nephew's name is Franklin, but I call him Frankie. So I did go ahead and put down Frankie's birthday. On Sunday when I wrote his name, I was supposed to put Frankie's party, but I accidentally put Franny's party. I completely slaughtered my nephew's name, and I did realize eventually. So on Saturday, I just put at the top that I have to film and edit my plan with me, as well as this cute remember sticker in rose gold foil from the Agenda 52 sticker collection, which is a sticker collections in Hobby Lobby. So you guys, then I just put down one of the pink washi strips from the actual kit and put that it was daylight savings time. And then this is where I actually mess up my nephew's name, and I put Franny's party, and then I put down a little gift box. And then when I put down the gift box, I still haven't realized that I messed up his name. And then I just put down a little three box checklist, and I put down that I have to get the newspapers, Pokemon hunt, and do my end of the week for Instagram. Then I put down this really cute to-do label right there. And then I put a TV label at the top and put that I have to watch Fear Factor, as well as publish my plan with me on Sundays. So then I just started to put down a little bit of decoration to spruce everything up and just to make it look good. And you guys, this was my plan with me for this week. I know it's kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to hurry up and get this out for you guys, because today's Monday and I was supposed to get this done on Sunday. And I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and you have a great week planning. Bye!